Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Fiverr in 2025 using the easiest method. Whether you're a freelancer looking to cash out your earnings or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get into it. Check your Fiverr balance. Log into your Fiverr account. Click on Earnings under the Selling tab. Ensure your funds are cleared and available for withdrawal. Hash 2. Choose a withdrawal method. Fiverr offers multiple withdrawal options. PayPal, instant transfers, fees may apply. Bank transfer, direct deposit to your bank account. Fiverr Revenue Card, a prepaid card linked to Fiverr, fast access. Payoneer, a great alternative for international withdrawals. 3. Link your payment method. Go to Settings, Payouts. Choose your preferred method and connect your account. For PayPal, use the same email linked to Fiverr. For Payoneer or bank transfer, follow the verification steps. 4. Withdraw your funds. In the Earnings section, click Withdraw. Select your linked payment method, confirm the amount, and proceed. 5. Check processing times. PayPal, within minutes. Fiverr Revenue Card, usually within 24 hours. Bank transfer and Payoneer, 3 to 5 business days. That's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from Fiverr in 2025 quickly and easily. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more freelancing tips. See you in the next one.